Dreaming is one aspect of being human that's universal. According to studies, most people over the age of 10 dream at least 4 to 6 times per night during a stage called REM sleep. While some dreams may contain hidden meanings in the form of symbolic situations or metaphors, it seems that they often express whatever is currently clouding your mind, whether worries, hopes, or anticipations. While some researchers argue that dreaming allows our body to encode short-term memories into long-term ones, others believe that dreaming is a means for the mind to work through everything in order to achieve psychological and emotional balance. But what really happens when you drift off to sleep and dream? And what would happen if you stopped? There have been plenty of theories, some which suggest that we would be unable to problem solve or learn anything new. Chances are, if you stop dreaming, you'd most likely suffer from some type of mood disorder, such as depression. This is definitely something to think about while you drift off to sleep tonight. For more fascinating stories about the human body, visit firsttoknow.com.